Hello guys, have you had groundnut soup before? If you haven't, you're missing out. This is one yummy dish I discovered and I said let me share it with you guys. So let's get started. For this dish, you need some roasted groundnuts which I've gone ahead to roast, and I'll be going in with some nzuza seed, very important, and I'll just pour it in my blender and blend until it turns into a paste. So after blending, this is all we have. Set that aside. In a pot, I already have my goat's meat seasoned with some salt, onion, seasoning powder, dry Scotch bonnet. In place of this dry Scotch bonnet pepper, you can use your fresh atarodo, you guys. So just give this a good stir and allow it to boil in its own juice for a few minutes. And after about 5 minutes, you can see that it has released some juice. So I'll just go in with some more water and allow this to cook until it's almost ready. And when your meat is about 90% ready, not too soft, you can start going in with the rest of the ingredients. So here I have my locust beans, usually known as okpehe. I went in with this first because you guys, I really want this to release all of its flavor into this meal for me. So I've gone with some more water because I saw that the water wasn't enough. So stir and going with your palm oil. And you guys, this meal is so easy to make. It does not take so much time, and you can do it with the ingredients you have available at home. You can see that just basic ingredients. So here I went in with some more dry Scotch bonnet because that's what I had available, and then I went in with crayfish also, and I'm just stirring this in. If you have your fresh peppers like your atarodo, shombo, yellow pepper, you can also blend this in at this point. Cover and allow this to come to a boil and go in with your groundnut paste. You guys, to make this easier, you can add water into your groundnut paste, mix it well to loosen it up before adding it in, because you guys, I went through a little bit of stress trying to break this in so I don't come out with lumps in my soup. So just do that to make it easier for you. And I also went with some more water because I saw that it was a bit thick or it was too thick. So just mix this in well, taste and adjust with seasoning at this point, and cover and allow this to boil. And you guys, our groundnut soup is almost ready. At this point, the aroma was already inviting. So I went in with a little bit of bitter leaf and scent leaf. You guys, these two vegetables take your groundnut soup to a whole new level. So don't skip this part. Going with bitter leaves, just a little, and scent leaf. Allow this to just boil a little, and our groundnut soup is coming out so well already. So after boiling, can you see what we have? You guys, you have to try this dish. If you haven't, you're going to definitely love this one, guys. It's so delicious and easy to make. So what are you waiting for? Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. You can share. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, remember to always stay blessed, stay happy. Bye guys. See you next time.